Hi guys, a new AI niche is going viral in social media platforms. In this video, I will uncover the process to make these Animal POV Camera AI videos step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Generate prompts. Firstly, we want to use ChatGPT to help us prepare prompts for image and video generation. Simply paste the content in the dialog. You can find the content in the description, copy and paste it here to submit. Then ChatGPT will provide 10 animals for you to choose. Select the one you like and tell ChatGPT. Take chipmunk for example. Enter 10 and submit. And ChatGPT will immediately generate image and video prompts for you. Step 2. Create images. With the prompts ready, you can then use any AI image generator tools to create images. In this case, I am using HitPaw Photorealistic. I will put the official link in the description. Click on the latest Nano Banana 2 model. Choose text to image. Here you can select other models to use, such as Sea Dream, Nano Banana Pro, etc. Next, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in HitPaw Photorealistic. Click on Generate. And we have the animal with micro camera image like this. Save it in your device. Step 3. Image to video. In this step, we are using Google Flow to turn image into videos. Drag and drop the image we created into the page, then drag it in the dialog. Don't forget to select the video model in the settings. Back to ChatGPT, copy and paste video prompt 1 in the dialog, and submit it, and there we have the first clip. Next, copy video prompt 2, and paste it in the dialog again. Enable the extend button, and submit. Flow will use the last frame of the first clip to generate a new video. Repeat this process to generate more clips, and finally you will get a long video like this one. A chipmunk is exploring its burrow. If you want to use other AI video models, or you encounter some problems using Flow, here is another way. Open HitPaw VicP and choose AI Video Generator. It provides more mainstream AI video models for you to choose. Take Kling model for instance. Import the image here, then copy and paste the video prompt in the box. You may also customize the duration, aspect ratio, quality and native audio as well. Click on Generate, and you may also create videos like this. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.